Morning children, hope you all are enjoying good health, being obedient to mommy, daddy, grandparents, your relatives. Are you being a good child? Yes, that's very important. Eat your food and attend your online classes and then learn something new every day. What you are going to do? You are going to use the values that I am instilling in you every week. So today there is another beautiful value that I am instilling in you is what? Respect your parents. So here we are going and visiting a school. There is a big school, okay? There is a big school and all the children are going to the school. Can you see all of them are smiling and they are going to school? See, all are, what are they? They are answering teacher, and teacher also is so happy because all the children are answering, okay? There was one boy who was very sad all the time because his classmates used to rag him. Why they used to rag him? Because his mummy's hands were dark and burnt. See, her face also was fully burnt. So they used to tell him, your mummy is ugly. We don't want to be your friend. Okay? So everyone were upset in the school. The boy used to be very angry with the mummy. He used to tell mummy, don't come to drop me, no, pick me, because all my friends are making fun of me. I am so angry with you. See, he used to shout at the mother. He used to say, don't come mama, don't come to my school. All don't like you and they don't like me because you are ugly. So what the mother said, the mother told the child the story. When you are a baby, you know what happened, son? When you were a baby, there was a huge fire. And in that fire, even our house caught the fire. And you were inside the house. I was roaming everywhere, searching for you. And where were you? You as a small baby, you were inside the house. What did I do? I entered the house with my hands and my face getting burnt. I picked you up because you were my child. See, you were crying in the house. You were almost going to die. So I did not want you to die. I saved you from death. I saved you from burns. See, that is how I got burnt. That is how I got burnt. See, so the boy, what he said, I'm sorry mummy, I did not know the fact. And he holds the mother and cries. See, he holds the mother, no problem. Even if your hands are black, even if your face is black, I love you mama because you saved me in the fire. See, no problem if your hands are black. No problem. I will explain it to my friends what is the actual fact. So he tells all the friends. He says, my mummy surrendered herself into the fire just to make me alive, to keep me alive. So all of them again became friends. See, they all became friends. Now they understood what the boy told about the mother. See, now you should remember, children, never forget your parents. Don't forget, help them. Be a help. Be a help to them. Then they are the reasons. They give you so much of things. They work hard for you. So what you should be kind to them. You should respect them. Keep calm and respect your parents. Don't use bad words. Don't use angry words. Just be kind. Be loving because you don't know what sacrifice they are giving for you. Okay? Go and make your parents proud. How will you make your parents proud? By studying well, by listening, by being obedient, by bringing laurels for your parents and for the institution where you are studying. That is how you will be helpful and respect your parents. Keep calm and do your best. Your parents will do the rest. What you will do your best. What is your best? By being obedient, learning something new. Don't waste your time. Time is precious. Be obedient and make your parents proud. See, then what will happen when you make your parents proud? There is happiness filled in you, in your parents, in the institution, everywhere. Everybody will be proud of you. Everybody will be proud of you. See how happy they are? Can you see the whole family, how happy they are? See, obey your parents. The major point is, the important point is obey. When your parents says no, say no, I will not do it. When they say stop, stop. Don't overrule them. So keep calm and be a good person. How will you be a good person? How will you be a good person? Okay? How will you be a good person? By being obedient. So dear children, today's moral value is what? What is your moral value? The moral value is obey your parents. When you obey your parents, what will happen? You will get wonderful and tremendous blessings from above, because they are your best friends. So today you are going to inform all your friends that I am going to be an obedient child. I will make them proud. Who will you make them proud? I will make my parents proud. In what way? Being obedient, eating what they give, learning, listening to what they say. So all the best. Children, do your best wherever you are. Do your best. That is important. And make your parents proud. So all the best. Have a wonderful day. And what will you do? Enjoy your day. Be a good person. Okay?